Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra, and today we are doing the last of the Disney villains videos. We are doing Maleficent. It's kind of bittersweet that this is the last one, but I'm kind of looking forward to doing more series on this channel of different things. So if you have any ideas, let me know down below and we'll see what we can do about that. If you want to see me go from this to the daughter of Maleficent, keep on watching. All right, getting started. I picked up this kind of controversial product. This is the Becca Zero. It is supposed to be a zero pigment foundation, but I've been using it as a primer, one of my base layers, and I actually kind of like it. So going in with that. And then the second product we're gonna go in with is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. For foundation today, we're going to be going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation in the shade One Cool, which is one of their lightest shades because, you know, Casper over here. Basic white girl. Have you ever tried Uggs?
I've heard of sneakers.
They make sneakers?
Mm-hmm. Made from sheepskin insoles.
Ooh, he's fancy. Does this sound pick up? We are not an ASMR channel. ASMR. It's just fun to say. For concealer today, we're going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 100 because also it's one of the lightest ones I own. And I feel like we probably should make this face a little bit lighter than we usually would. Not quite on the level of Queen of Hearts, even though someone thinks I didn't go light enough on the face for that one. Duck. Now, this concealer has not been, but we'll see how it works for me today. It's actually not too bad today. Yay. Okay. Now we are going to set everything, and today I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty setting powder in Butter, which is one of my favorites, and we're going to bake a little bit today. I don't usually bake, but this look needs it, and you'll see why soon enough. Butter face. See everything with this lens.
It's not just for filming tacos.
Nope. Well,
sometimes girls that look nice too.
Sometimes we look like tugboats, not gonna lie. If you'd seen me the last couple weeks, she was looking a little tugboatish. Now I'm gonna take some setting powder on a brush and just brush it over the parts that we're not baking, just so that the rest of the powder that we put on doesn't go patchy. And for contour today, I'm going to be taking a MAC blush. This is a mineral blush and it's in the shade Cosmic Force. I want the contour to be really precise today, so I'm going to be taking this kind of angled, flat, dense brush just so I can create a definite line because Miss Maleficent has those super pointed cheekbones and I don't have prosthetics, but we can make it look similar. So what we're gonna attempt to do anyways. It might work, it might not. That's okay.
If not, we're gonna go get some Bondo.
Yeah, if not, we're just gonna
get some drywall mud.
I have a lot of that. So for the contour, what I'm doing is I'm starting up here. I'm also bringing it down just to give that face a little bit of a sunken in look. And it makes the face look a lot slimmer as well. And then if you look at Maleficent, the part that's pointed is right in this area. So what we're gonna do is take some of the contour shade on a smaller brush, and we're gonna create a shadow right here. And I know this looks crazy right now, but we're gonna blend it all together. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Fine. Just blend and then blend some more.
Pretty sweet 5 o'clock shadow, honestly.
Right? Most men would be jealous. Not Duck. Duck can grow a beard, no problem. And a mustache. Rocking a mustache right now. I'm gonna take a thicker brush and start blending. And we're also going to take some of that contour color and just do the temples a little bit. For blush today, we're going to be going in with an oldie but a goodie. We're gonna go in with the NARS Orgasm Blush, and it is like a pinky, peachish. It's just a really good, it's a good shade. And for highlighter today, I'm gonna be going in with one of the loose highlighters from Kylie Cosmetics and the shade Santorini. Doing brows today, I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, the pomade, in the shade Granite, because our hair is gonna be dark, so our brows also need to be dark. And granite scares me, but that's okay. I'm just gonna dive right in, gonna embrace it. Ooh, that's a look. Oh, I should have done that for Cruella de Vil. Missed opportunity. Also have to do it again. Yeah, those are sisters. They're not twins, but they're at least related. Okay, brows are done. And they're dark. A lot darker than I usually do. Moving on to eyes. We're going to be doing a whole lot of purple. And of course, I'm going in with my trusty Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. The purple one, because why not? Has all of the purple colors. It's volume 1, number 1. And we're just gonna start putting a bunch of purple on my face. Now here's the question. Are we feeling more cool tone purples or like pink tone purples or a mix? Just do a mix. Yeah, just start putting purples on my face and see what happens. Shall we? Yes, we shall.
What is this?
This is a color switcher. So if you just have the color that you want to get off quickly, instead of washing it, you can just use this.
Okay.
Yeah, and it makes fun noise. Okay, first we're gonna go into A3 in the palette, and we're just gonna start putting that on the outer part of our eye. And dragging it out a little bit. Okay, going into the shade B4, and we're just gonna deepen that purple on the outside. I love when things look good. Kind of thinking, shockingly, I'm not gonna cut my crease today. And here's why. Oh, I got this new palette and it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. It has a duochrome pigment in it. You ready for this? You ready? Not ready. Not ready. Not ready. Like, oh my god. Yeah, Wait, is this a duo? No, this is the trio chrome. This is the trio chrome palette, guys. Yeah, so this shade, which I thought would be perfect for this look because it has some purple, some green, a little bit of gold. And yeah, I'm just gonna slather this all over my lid. Oh, it's so beautiful. Also, it is a lot easier to do this with short nails. Here's the thing though, I have more difficulty functioning with short nails than I do with long nails because I've had long nails for so long. So beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. It's true. It's so pretty. Gonna stare at myself for a little while. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Don't judge me. This looks so good. If you're judging me, that's fine. I understand. It's so pretty. I get so excited about good makeup. So excited. So excited. So excited. For the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking a mixture of the 2 shades that I did on my lid. So first, going in with A3. I'll smudge that in. And then taking a teeny bit of B4. It needs to be smoked over. And I'm just going to do a little bit of inner corner highlight with the same highlighter that I used before, the Kylie Cosmetics Santorini Ultra Highlighter. Oh, that looks so good. For lashes today, because we all know how much I love lashes. But we are going to be taking a local company. They are just starting out again, but it is Lash Royal X, I think it is, or Lash Royal. It's Lash Royal. She's based out of Vancouver, Surrey area, and we're gonna be taking some of her lashes, and these are in the style Baby Girl, and we're gonna put those on. So you already know what lash glue I'm using, because it's the same every damn time. You're welcome. It's easy.
It's not the one that from Sephora in Canada, because that one sucks.
Yeah.
It's trash.
Trash. You have to get the one straight from Huda herself in Dubai, because that one is not trash. I cannot get over this trio chrome situation going on. It's blowing my mind. Good choice on the lash. For mascara, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara in the blackest of blacks. I mean, they do have other colors now, which is fun, but I don't have those ones. Not a big fan of colored mascara. Looks weird on me. Okay, so we are back. We have hair on. We have a different outfit on. She's giving you a little bit of a pleather moment, because I feel like Maleficent's daughter would be kind of a badass. I feel like that's safe to assume. I love this so much. Oh, I love wigs. Okay, for lips, what we gonna do is this dark purple liquid lipstick from Fenty Beauty, and it is in the shade Undefeated. I love this so much. Okay, sorry. I love this so much. Oh my goodness. Like, everything about this, I am so about. Okay. Okay, so this is the finished makeup look, but we are missing one very crucial aspect of Maleficent. And it is the horns. So a girl, friend of mine, makeup friend of mine in Vancouver area makes amazing headpieces, and I asked her to make some horns for me. She's never made horns before. This is her first set of horns, and I'm very excited that she made them for me. So, let's get these. One. I also love that my outfit matches the horns. This makes me very happy. I am now Maleficent's daughter. It is official. I love this so much. So Tia, if you see this, thank you for making the horns. I love them. They're perfect for this. I'm just gonna go stare at myself for a little while now, because I'm kind of obsessed with how this turned out. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was a little bit of an adventure It's this is probably my favorite look of 2020. I'm really obsessed with this. I think this is definitely a good villain to end on. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun filming it. I'm so happy that we ended the Disney Villains series on Maleficent. It just turned out so good. I think out of all of the videos I've done for this series, this is my favorite. Everything from the makeup to the hair, the outfit, like this is a whole vibe. It is a vibe in itself. Thank you guys so much for watching again. I'm very excited about this look. I'm gonna go take a million pictures now. So you should probably follow my Instagram because those pictures will be put up on there. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below letting me know what you guys want to see. I will see you guys on the next video. Goodbye. I love this so much. Like I can't even like contain my excitement for it. I'm so obsessed with this. I'm sorry. I'm trying not to be like super like giddy about it, but I'm kind of giddy about it. It's so good.